In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop a video in Clipchamp. Whether you're new to video editing or just looking to refine your skills, understanding how to crop your footage can really enhance your projects. So, let's dive in and get started. First things first, you'll want to open up your web browser. Once you're online, search for Clipchamp. If you haven't used Clipchamp before, it's a fantastic, user-friendly tool perfect for both beginners and those with a bit more experience. After you've found the website, you'll need to log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, signing up is quick and straightforward. Once logged in, navigate to your projects and open the one you'd like to work on. If you haven't started a project yet, now's an excellent time to create one by uploading your media files. Within Clipchamp, you'll see a Your Media tab. From here, drag and drop your video onto the editing timeline. This timeline is where all the magic happens, allowing you to piece together and tweak your video. With your video now in the timeline, click on it to highlight the clip. When you do this, you'll notice that a variety of editing options will appear just above the video preview window. Among these options is the Crop button. Keep an eye out for an icon that looks like a square with two intersecting lines. This is what you'll click to begin the cropping process. Next up, you'll want to take note of the typewriter text layer in your timeline. Make sure to click on it so that it's selected. This ensures that any changes you make won't interfere with other layers or parts of your project. Now, let's get hands-on with cropping. Once you've clicked the Crop button, notice that cropping handles will appear around the borders of your video in the preview window. These handles are draggable, allowing you to precisely define the area you wish to keep. Think about what's most important in your frame and adjust accordingly by clicking and dragging these handles until your video is just right. After you've positioned the crop handles to your liking, it's time to confirm your changes. Review your cropped video in the preview and ensure it looks as expected. Once you're happy with the result, click the Done button to apply your modifications. If you need to adjust further, simply repeat these steps until you've achieved your desired outcome. And there you have it. You've successfully cropped your video in Clipchamp. Take a moment to appreciate how this simple yet powerful tool can help transform your video content. With practice, you'll continue to discover more features and tricks that Clipchamp offers, enhancing your editing skills even further. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!